Unlike many classics, the cocktail I'll be making for you today is about simplicity and quality. With just one bottle of liquor and no need for any fancy or hard-to-find ingredients, it's the ultimate easy-to-make drink. Perfect for anyone looking to whip up a top-notch cocktail right at home. Smashes are a category of cocktails that involve muddling fresh herbs and or citrus. The Gin Basil Smash is a perfect example of this lively mixture. It's a refreshing and herbaceous cocktail that has quickly become a modern classic. It was created in the summer of 2008 by Jörg Meyer, the owner of Bar Le Lion in Hamburg, Germany, and even won the Best New Cocktail Award at the Tales of the Cocktail Spirited Awards that year. Meyer, inspired by the classic Whiskey Smash cocktail, wanted to create a drink that showcased the flavors of fresh herbs and citrus. He originally called his creation the Gin Pesto, a very fitting name for a basil-forward sip, but you can't make pesto without pine nuts. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, actually, you could make pesto with walnuts maybe, but it's not the same. Anyway, over time, Meyer realized that too, and the name transformed into more of a description of its preparation. He noted that it's better to err on the side of more rather than less basil, and the more there is, the easier it is to muddle, to get that incredible bright hue, that green hue that we're looking for. With the basil providing a unique, slightly peppery note, it pairs beautifully with the botanical elements of the gin and the zesty lemon. The result is a cocktail that's both invigorating and sophisticated. Perfect for warm weather or anytime you want a taste of summer. Yeah, that's right. Let's make one. Flores, flores. I got flowers, man. Actually, fresh basil out of Viv and Aaron's garden.
We've got so much basil. Make it stop.
It's it's beautiful, actually. You know, it's gorgeous. So we want about 10 to 12 leaves, but you know, like looking at this, that's a young stem. I don't mind. You know, we'll just trim off some of this. When they're young stems, you can throw them right in there, no problem. And we want that green hue involved in this. This is beautiful. The smell is just intoxicating. Yeah, it is. I'm thinking I'm pretty much there. Okay. Now, we're just going to muddle really, really gently, just to get some of that oils, those oils. I think that's pretty good. It just like even got more intense there. Okay. Next, we're going to add some gin. I'm going to use a Bombay Sapphire. I like this gin. It's a lovely gin. And we're going for 2.5 ounces. In our shaker. Okay, I want 1 ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice. Almost there. A little more out of here. I think I'm in our shaker. And simple syrup. We want 3/4 of an ounce. Okay. Right like that. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio, cane sugar to water. Toss in some ice. Pop a lid on and shake it. How we shaking, Viv?
Like a basil leaf in the wind.
It's always in the wind. What the hell, man? You say basil, I say basil. Basil, basil. Shake it. Shake it good. That's pretty good. And let's grab my chilling glass here in the freezer. Basil. We're just going to pop in a few cubes right there, and we're going to fine strain this mix right into our glass. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Nice. And we're going to garnish with fresh basil. Of course we are. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. That is beautiful. All right, the Gin Basil Smash. Well, I get basil right up the nose. That'll clear you out. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Very perky. The gin is there, but it seems to be tampered down by the basil. It's definitely basil forward. Initially I thought the lemon was a little strong, but the more I sip on it, yeah, this is a beautiful thing. Very, very light, very refreshing. Worth making for sure. I think this would be an awesome afternoon sipper, you know? Watching the sun go down maybe. But again, you got to be careful with this too, because it's got 2.5 ounces of gin in it, and it doesn't really taste like it has 2.5 ounces of gin in it. This would pair nicely with a penne pasta done in I guess a pesto sauce. Just make one, enjoy it. Cheers.
It's a lot of basil, man.
A lot of basil. Meyer inspired by the classic whiskey sour. Meyer inspired by the classic whiskey. Meyer, okay, here we go. Meyer inspired by the classic whiskey. One more time. Cheers to effortless enjoyment and a better way to get smashed. Hit the subscribe button, smash it. Check the other videos out and make a Gin Basil Smash, because they are actually very delightful. I'll probably be making a couple of these before the snow flies.